Are you tired of feeling unattractive and struggling to connect with others? Do you find yourself making the same mistakes over and over again without knowing why? Here are the 7 instant attraction killers that could be damaging your appeal and keeping you from achieving your goals. 1. Being mean. This habit can damage both you and those around you. It's like throwing rocks at a glass house. Everyone gets hurt. Being mean is more than just saying harsh words or criticizing others. It's a state of mind, a way of seeing the world. It can make you feel powerful in the short term, but it erodes your character and your relationships over time. Being mean also creates a cycle of negativity, leading to more hostility and less cooperation. 2. Contractive body language. The way you move and hold yourself can say a lot about you. If you're someone who has a habit of folding your arms, crossing your legs, or hunching your shoulders, you may be sending a message of defensiveness or discomfort. This is known as contractive body language, and it can make you come across as closed off or unapproachable. 3. Looking too happy or too proud. Did you know that looking too happy or too proud can actually make you less attractive to others? It's true. While it's important to have confidence and be happy, overdoing it can be a turnoff. People who look too proud or excessively happy can come across as arrogant or self-centered, which can be a major put-off for others. It's all about finding the right balance between confidence and humility. 4. Not having a sense of humor. If you're serious all the time, you may want to think twice if you want to be seen as attractive. Not having a sense of humor can be a major turnoff, as it can come off as boring, dull, or even uptight. Being able to laugh and make others laugh is an essential trait that can make you more likable and attractive to others. 5. Smelling too similar or too different from a potential partner. When it comes to attracting a potential partner, scent can play a huge role, but there's a fine line between smelling good and smelling too strong or too different. You might think that dousing yourself in a strong fragrance is a good thing, but it can actually be a major turnoff. 6. Dishonesty. Nobody wants to be lied to or feel like they can't trust the person they're with, whether it's a white lie or a big deception. Dishonesty is a red flag that can erode any relationship. Being truthful and transparent is important in building trust and maintaining strong connections with others. When you lie, you not only damage the trust between you and others, but you also damage the relationship you have with yourself. 7. Not being humble. Hey, nobody likes a show-off. Being confident is one thing, but being overly self-assured can be a major turnoff. If you're constantly talking about how great you are, you're sending a message that you don't value other people, and that's not attractive at all. People want to be around someone who's humble, kind, and empathetic. So there you have it. Avoid these 7 instant attraction killers, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a more desirable and attractive person. Who knows? Maybe your newfound attractiveness will make your ex regret breaking up with you, or finally, convince your crush to ask you out. The possibilities are endless, so go out there and be fabulous.